Alright, look at this. Okay, so I'm learning how to use this whiteboard app with my lesson. So you don't see me having to change papers and notebook stuff all the time. Okay, so excuse my handwriting because, yeah, I'm learning how to use this whiteboard app. From the video that you watched earlier, it shows that 8/10 is equivalent, the same as 80 hundredths. 8/10 written as a fraction, 80 hundredths written as a fraction is the same as 8/10 as the same as 80 hundredths. And if you look here with the look at that, I'm underlining. When you look at the decimals, you can see that the place value, it's the same. Like, there's nothing in the ones place. The 8 is in the tenths place, right here. It's in the tenths place here, and it's in the tenths place here. Okay. Right here is a 0, and you guys know already that I could add 1 0, 2 zeros, infinity zeros. It doesn't matter. That doesn't change the value. The 8 is still in the same place. So this number, I circled it, 8/10, yeah, it's the same thing as 80 hundredths. And if you remember, like our 10 rods, and then our grid with the 100 little teeny tiny squares, well, let me see, like if I had, and then pretend this has 8, oh gosh, it's so hard. Okay, pretend this has 8, and so then 8 would be filled in here, and then if this one had itty bitty, oh gosh, itty bitty, itty bitty, itty bitty, yeah, itty bitty, and then going across, okay, yeah, I hope you get the idea. It would be the same amount in each picture, in each model, just that this would be 8 10 rods filled in, and this would be 80 little units filled in. Okay, this would be 8 10 rods, and this is 80 little units. So this would be 80 over 100. And this would be 8 over 10. And then you remember how we used that with our fraction and our decimal when we did the number line. You can also think of, let's change color. You can also think of this as money. That 8 is really like 80 cents because it's like 8 dimes right here, 8 dimes worth 80 cents. Or on this side, it could be 80 pennies. Dimes are in 10 cents, like our tenths. Oh my gosh, that's supposed to be a cent sign. And our pennies are in, whoops, scribble that out, is in 1 cent. Okay, so 8 dimes, 8 times 10 would be 80 cents. 80 times 1 would be 80 cents. Just a different way to show it, okay? Sounds good.